The ARTS8 is a group of 8 elite arts training organisations. About 3 years ago, we came up with the idea of why don't we do something together? Surely, combined, we can create some sort of powerful message that's worth hearing. Basically, the collaboration is about selecting 2 students from each of those organisations, putting them in a room together for a weekend, providing them with a provocation. This year's provocation is simply flight. What are all the various meanings of flight?
To be able to, quickly meet up with, 15 other artists and develop a project in just one weekend and, instantly have to open up your skills to each other and your ideas is really enjoyable. It's pretty great. I mean, I've learned how to do a handstand. That was terrifying, but it's done.
It's all about art forms coming together and learning from each other. We've been learning about circus arts, we've been hearing lots of music, and as a ballet dancer I'm really inspired by music.
It's amazing. I never really thought I'd be able to do any of this or be able to meet people like this. They all just have such similar minds, even though we're from such different places and different medias and mediums.
We start to get this real intellectual buzz as well as all of the physical stuff, so it's super nice just to have that meld of all the different art forms. Everything has just been spark, 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 spark.
It's really interesting to see different processes and technique and kind of storytelling. I work in a technical field, so getting to get up on the floor and move around and kind of work to create something just from a word is really, really interesting.
When people jump from planes, they fall. No, actually, they plummet.
Through history, we've noticed these amazing movements within art, within culture, and a lot of that has been a dialogue between writers, poets, dancers, visual artists, and I think to separate those things is to limit the potential to talk about what those arts are and how they can be in a discourse and a dialogue with each other to stimulate change and to provoke new answers.
Here I stand upon this crane,